It's now my privilege and honor to invite our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Subhash Ikewar, sir, Deputy Director, MSME Development and Facilitation Office, Nagpur. Sir, your rich experience in innovation, technology, entrepreneurship, and the MSME ecosystem is truly inspiring for our students and faculty members. We would be delighted to hear your valuable thoughts, experience, and insights. Sir, may I now request you to kindly address the gathering.
Respected dignitaries of the dais, faculties, and dear participants, good morning all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Friends, industry is the backbone of the country. Country, whether it is developed or developing, its economy totally depends on industry. India is still in the queue of developing countries. And now we will take our country to where? Developing to developed countries. And what we need? We need more and more industries, and that is possible because of that is possible from you, young generation like you, because you are having creativity, intellectual ideas and energy. Only thing you need proper motivation and guidance. So this kind of workshop definitely helps you to initiate and take some decisions to become an entrepreneur. So now we are here to talk about idea and innovation. Why innovations are required? I will give an example. You must have seen advertisement of toothpaste in the television. हिंदी में ज़्यादा बोलता हूँ एडवर्टाइजमेंट के बारे में. एक कंपनी आकर के आपको बोलती क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में क्लोराइड है, दूसरी कंपनी आकर के बोलती क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में फ्लोराइड है, तीसरी कंपनी आकर के बोलती क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है, चौथी कंपनी आकर के बोली कि आपके टूथपेस्ट में मिर्ची है. मिर्ची तो नहीं रहेगी लेकिन कुछ तो डिफरेंट रहेगा. ऐसा क्यों करती कंपनी, समाज अगर चेंजेस क्यों करती रहती है, बताइए. बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए. कोई नमक डाल रहा है, कोई क्लोराइड डाल रहा है, कोई क्लोराइड डाल रहा है, क्यों? हमने कहा कि मेक देयर प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर. और क्या हो सकता है? यस. व्हाट इज अगर एक कंपनी ने अपने प्रोडक्ट में चेंजेस नहीं किया तो दूसरी कंपनी आकर के चेंजेस करेगी, अच्छी पब्लिसिटी करेगी. और हमारा इंडियन मार्केट ऐसा है कि अराउंड 10 to 15% पीपल दे डोंट हैव न्यू प्रोडक्ट फॉर ट्रायल बेसिस. Maybe this new product was little more costly than the old product, but 10 to 15% people, this customer, they buy this new product. और ये कंपनी का रिसर्च और इसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट जो खर्चा है, ये 10 से 15% जो खरीदारी करती है उसमें निकल जाता है. अगर कंपनी का ये नया प्रोडक्ट चल गया तो अच्छा है, नहीं तो प्रोडक्ट नहीं मार्केट में. ये बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट? कंपटीशन.
Is a student of GWCT MBA Direct Second Year, and that's why we invited him as a alumni representative for panel discussion of MBA. So welcome, sir. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all for today's panel discussion on innovation and startup ecosystem enablers, organized by Department of Management Studies and Research, Gondra Mundari College of Engineering, Nagpur, under Institutions Innovation Council (IIC) in association with IPC. First and foremost, I humbly bow my head in reverence to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, wisdom and learning, and seek her blessings for the success of his in-house panelists. Professor Shweta Rajgopal Madam, HOD, Electrical Engineering Department, and good as entrepreneur and director of Internet.
और एक कोई प्रोडक्ट मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. वो आर्टिफिशियल कलर एडिट नहीं कर ये अपने क्या कहते हैं अपना.
An entrepreneur is someone who is willing to think differently. इंटरप्रेन्योर कोई भी नहीं बन सकता। इंटरप्रेन्योर उसकी सोच सबसे अलग रहती है। He should think differently and take calculated risk. He has to take the calculated risk and then accept the failure. He should accept the failure because in the business there is no always situation to get success. Sometimes you can get failure also. So you should accept the failure.
Insure Baby Foods Private Limited, Nagpur.
Very good afternoon, everyone. So, a very good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all have listened the session and have taken something from this session. The session was really very good, and the major experts from industry were there, and definitely you should take full advantage of this session. Okay, so further, good afternoon everyone, and I'm here to propose the vote of thanks. On behalf of the entire organizing team, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our respected management for their constant support, encouragement and guidance in making this event possible. We are truly grateful for the trust and support extended to us at every stage of the program. Your vision and encouragement have provided us with the opportunity to organize such an enriching and meaningful session. Thank you for your invaluable support and continued.
कॉमर्स की लैंग्वेज में से हम कहते हैं इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल। तो आपको ये सिस्टम इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल में भी हेल्प करता है, यानी आपको बिलिंग पास होती है और आपको इन्वेंटरी कंट्रोल में भी सपोर्ट करता है। अब ये बार कोडेड एज मैन्युफैक्चरर आप लेते हैं तो आपको मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एमएसएमई 50,650 रुपीज का reimbursement करती है। You have to pay around 70 to 80,000 rupees. Out of that, 50,650 rupees will be given back to you. And this barcode and somebody may ask me question that कि बाहर में भी तो 18-20,000 का मेरे को barcode मिल जाता है, मैं बाहर यहाँ से 50,000 पे करके क्यों दूँ? देखिए, अगर आप in future if you want to export your product to other countries, this is license barcode issued from GS1India.org. This barcode is readable internationally also. So we do not to go for another barcode. If you have 9.3 crore MSMEs are working in the country, and this sector has given employment to 21 crore people. And if we see manufacturing output by MSME sector, that is 35%, 35%, and export by MSME sector is around 46%. So this is vital role which is being played by the MSME sector. Next. And here I would like to clarify one thing. Normally we are familiar with the word industry, and now we are discussing about this enterprise word. So don't think that is there any difference in enterprise and industry word. Both are same. Only because of the globalization, with the new MSME Act, industry word has been removed, and now we are using enterprise word. So both the things are same, but on paper we are using enterprise word. So enterprise of industries have to classify in two categories: manufacturing and service enterprise. I think I need not to elaborate what is manufacturing and what is service. Next, this is important. How micro, small, and medium has been classified. What is the criteria to classify this? You can see that two criteria are there. First is investment, and second is turnover. If there is an investment of up to 2.5 crore in the plant and machinery of your project, that unit will be considered as micro enterprise, and turnover limit is 10 crore. Similarly, if your investment is up to 25 crore and turnover is 100 crore, that will be considered as small enterprise. And last category, here investment limit is 125 crore and turnover is 500 crore. Now, when you enter as a micro enterprise and your investment increases after some time, after few years, if it is which issue is suitable for that particular project, what are the other registration process and what is the guide? This is totally free of cost. We also help you to prepare project report, support for every registration which I have mentioned already in the website, We are also engaged in training program that is called skill development specially. We call entrepreneurship skill development program. Duration of this program is 6 weeks. It is totally free of cost. And another campaign portal, I will tell you how this portal is working. Awareness of skills and policies, whatever new skills and policies framed by Mr. Professor. Entrepreneurs should take benefit of these skills and policies. For that we organize different training programs and seminars. These are the training patterns: entrepreneurship development program, entrepreneurship awareness program, and management development program. Next. These are the topics we organize seminar and workshop. These topics are incubation, packaging, zero defect, lean techniques, intellectual property rights, and management. If we want to start a project, our first question is financial support. How will we get finance? So this is one of the schemes. CETPMSC, Credit Guarantee Fund for Micro and Small Enterprises. In this scheme, you can take loan APR. Here you will not take any subsidy. In fact, on your loan amount, you have to pay around 1 to 1.5% additional charges to the bank. That is what coverage of your loan. In unfortunate situation, if your industry becomes sick or fail, so your loan repayment liability comes up only 25%. 75% will be settled by the trust. That I told you 1 to 1.5% is charged by bank for this coverage. जैसे आप एक इंश्योरेंस करते हैं, इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम पे करते हैं. Some part oil लीकेज है, कहीं पे गैस का लीक हो रहा है, कहीं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का लॉस हो रहा है. And if we ignore that,
एकेडमिशियल तब हमारे ध्यान में आया कि क्यों न हमारे पास कैल्कुलेटर होना चाहिए जो कि बच्चों के लिए बेहतरीन उदाहरण बन जाए. तो तब हमने MBA सेकेंड ईयर में हमारे यहाँ से पास आउट हुए, हमारे सर से हमने बात की, सर आपका समय मिलेगा क्या? तो बात की, वो बहुत बिजी रहते हैं. ही इज इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर इन डिनशॉस कंपनी. आपने डिनशॉ का आइसक्रीम खाया होगा, तो वो यहाँ पे जरूर आया, हमारा समय दिया. मैंने डॉक्टर मिस्टर दिलीप चंद्रमा सर, सीनियर मैनेजर वेरी फूड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड नागपुर. तो ये एक ऐसा ब्रांड है, अनुभव आपके सामने है. और मैं सर आप लोगों से एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आपका अनुभव बहुत एक अच्छे तरीके से एग्जाम्पल के फॉर्म में जो आप बताएं, क्योंकि जो सामने बच्चे हैं इनके पास आइडियाज बहुत, इनकी क्यूरियोसिटी बहुत, और इनकी क्यूरियोसिटी के इनको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे आइडिया कोई सुनता नहीं. तो शायद इनको ये पता होना चाहिए कि छोटे छोटे आइडियाज भी बड़े रूप लेते हैं. अगर मैं कुछ एक उदाहरण मुझे याद आ रहा है, अगर मैं आपको बताऊंगा, जैनकॉम का नाम सुना होगा तो जैनकॉम ये
सर बहुत छोटी बातें जो बेसिक लेवल पे उनको परेशानी हो रही वही जिक्र कर रहे हैं समझाने में, और उन्हें ये भी बताया कि आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम्स को ओवरकम करना चाहिए. सर मैं मैडम से एक सवाल पूछना चाह रहा था कि जो बिगेस्ट बैरियर